Hello, my name is Mónica Viviana Nosa Flores. Task force, let's talk. Did you spend much money on your last trip? Was it a fair amount? No, since before we think of the price of the things that were offered in this place. It was a fair amount as the tape met expectations. What are the most visited places or tourist attractions in your city? In my town, the most visited cities are places where people can bathe and make their own food. Therefore, we find many stars. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you do? The best thing was the food since it had an incredible flavor and reminded me a lot of the house. I also took a bath in the pool and I also saw many animals. What was the chase place you visited in your city? In my town we found a place called El Container which offered ice cream, hot and cool drinks and fast food. It also has a nice place and games for children. What are the best things that have happened to you on a trip? Mention two. 1. Arrived at the place and thought it meets expectations. 2. Realized that the purposes are fulfilled. Thank you.